Are you ready for another listening exercise? How about an A to Z of abbreviations? The following words, well, they're not words, are they? Abbreviations I will read to you. I've got them in alphabetical order, so you have one advantage. You know the first letter, but you won't know any of the other ones. They're all German companies or things that are used in Germany. There is one Austrian term in there as well, actually two. And there is even one with an umlaut. It's the only one I could find that I could use. So you got pen and paper? Are you ready? If not, pause your video for a minute. Get yourself all ready and let's start. So the first one starts with an A. And the letters are A, D, A, C. A, D, A, C. And the word was, or the letters were, ADAC, which is a German automobile club. ADAC. The next one, BMV. BMV. And that is the BMW. BMW. Next one, CDU. CDU. And that is a political party in Germany, the CDU. Next one, DVD. DVD. And you most likely have got quite a few of those because that was a DVD. DVD. EU. Just two letters. EU. And that, of course, is the European Union. EU. FDP. FDP. And that is another political party, the FDP. GmbH. GmbH. And that are the initials for a limited company. So instead of an LTD, the Germans use GmbH. HSV. HSV. And football fans will recognize this as the Hamburger Sportsverein. HSV. ISBN. ISBN. And you will have all seen those initials, which is the International Standard Book Number, ISBN. JVG. JVG. And that's a JWG, which is a youth welfare law. Jugendwohlfahrtsgesetz. KÖSTV. I'll repeat this one, sorry. Careful with this one. STV. And that was an Austrian term, and that's the one with the umlaut. Katholisch, I can't remember what it's called now. Katholischer Österreichischer Studentenverein or Verband. It's a Catholic Austrian student organization. So KÖSTV. An easier one again. LKW. LKW. And that stands for Lastkraftwagen, which is just another word for a lorry. LKW. MAN. MAN. Looks like an English word, but it's of course a logistic company in Germany. NDR. NDR. And that is a TV channel, NDR. ORF. ORF. And that is another TV channel. PC. Very short. PC. And you're most likely sitting in front of one right now. Your PC, your personal computer. QVC. I was really pleased to find some abbreviations with a Q. QVC. And that is a shopping channel which also exists on German TV. So QVC in German is QVC. RTL. RTL, which is another TV channel. SPD. SPD. And that is another political party in Germany, the SPD. TVG. TVG. And those initials were TVG, which is a wage agreement law. USA. B, U, S, B. And you probably have one or two of those lying around. Your USB sticks. Or the socket. Short one. V, V. V, V. And that, of course, is your VW. VDR. VDR. And that's another TV's channel. VDR. I struggled a bit to get something for X and Y, but I did manage it. 2 letters, XL. XL. And that, of course, is extra large, just in case you need to buy a jumper or a t-shirt. YC. YC. And that stands for Yacht Club or Yacht Club. And the final one, ZDF. ZDF. And that is another TV channel. How did you do? Was it hard or was it easy? Let me know.